अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। वमन अहसनु क़ौलन मिन दाइ इलल्लाह वमन अहसनु क़ौलन मिम्मन दाअ इलल्लाह। और इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी बात किसकी होगी जो अल्लाह की तरफ लोगों को बुलाता है। And who is better in speech than he who invite man to Allah? The importance of Tabligh is very clear from the Holy Quran and from writings of promised Messiah. And in this regard, Khulafai Ahmadiyyat has provided clear guidance about how this duty of spreading the message of Islam. हज़रत मसीह मऊद अलैहिस्सलातु वस्सलाम के दिल में तबलीग की तड़प बड़ी शिद्दत से पाई जाती थी। आप फरमाते हैं, हमारे इख्तियार में हो तो हम फ़कीरों की तरह घर ब घर फिर कर खुदा ताला के सच्चे दीन की इशाअत करें और इस हलाक करने वाले शिर्क और कुफर से जो दुनिया में फैला हुआ है लोगों को बचा लें। क़यादत तबलीग गिव टारगेट टू मजालिस एंड रीजन्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेड नेशनल तबलीग प्लान विच रिजल्ट इन इंक्रीज ऑफ तबलीग एक्टिविटीज़। The Tabligh Eid parties like Eid celebration after both Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, and the highlights you are watching on screen. The Majlis Ansarullah held Tabligh Eid parties and also coffee morning type program which attracted many non-Muslim guests. And you are watching on screen some highlights of our recently in this year Eid parties pictures. MP Miss Margaret attended the Glasgow event this year, Glasgow Eid celebration dinner, and very next day in the parliament she appreciated Jamaat effort of promoting peace in the society. And there was media coverage of some of the Eid events this year. Some reports were published in English newspapers in different parts of the UK, for example in Wales and Oxford. Additionally, two Urdu Pakistani channels, Jio and Dunia, also gave coverage to our Eid events. हमारे प्यारे इमाम हज़रत खलीफतुल मसीह अल ख़ामस अय्यदहुल्लाह ताला बिनसर अल अज़ीज़ फरमाते हैं कि हज के मौक़ों पर या मेलों के मौक़ों पर आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जाते थे और तबलीग करते थे। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने तबलीग का हर रास्ता अपनाया। यहाँ मसलन देहातों में राब्ते बढ़ाएँ, देहातों में निस्बतन शरीफ आदमी होते हैं। Majlis Ansarullah UK allocated villages and towns to our majalis for tabligh purpose and assigned some tabligh target for villages area. With instructions of Hazur Aqdas, Qiyadat Tabligh allocated villages and town to the majalis. Alhamdulillah, in last 5 years, if you see on the screen, this is a 5-year presentation and total number of 3,792 visits to their allocated villages Majalis have done. Villages visits generally include our tabligh stalls, exhibitions and distribution of Jamaat leaflets door to door, Tabligh postcard, charity walk leaflets, and season greeting card to door and our Tabligh stalls. Village Summer Fair provide huge opportunity to contact people and to build relationship with the other organization and charities. And some of highlights on the screen, you can watch the recently last year our summer fair events. Tabligh stalls are one of the good source of making contacts with many different ethnic, faith groups, and other community organizations. Alhamdulillah, Majlis Ansarullah UK, in last 5 years, we had held 12,130 Tabligh stalls in different cities and villages. All those many Ansar who obtained Tabligh contacts followed them by arranging their visit to local masjid and individual Tabligh sittings. I would like to emphasize that in following a Tabligh contacts, one follow-up meeting is not enough. If you want to get bayat, then you will have to have more than one sittings with the Tabligh contacts, second, third, fourth meetings. Alhamdulillah, many Ansar have actually achieved bayat of Tabligh contacts obtained from Tabligh stalls. हज़रत मुस्लिम मौद रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु बयान एक मौका पर फरमाते हैं कि गर्ज़ हमारा काम पहुंचा देना है और महज इस वजह से कि कोई कबूल नहीं करता हमें थकना और रुकना नहीं चाहिए. The leaflets and literature distribution, alhamdulillah, Majlis Ansarullah has distributed variety of literature and leaflets on different occasions, such as charity walk leaflet, peace, loyalty leaflets, Holy Quran, Holy Prophet, and Promised Messiah, about Promised Messiah leaflets. And recently, Jamaat published new leaflets called Islam Respond to Extremism. Alhamdulillah, in last 5 years, Majlis Ansarullah distributed over 2.7 million leaflets, include our Tabligh postcards and charity walk leaflets. And the Majlis Ansarullah UK implemented a comprehensive program for the distribution of books such as Life of Muhammad, World Crisis and Pathway to Peace, with the exceptional effort by all regional Nazmeen, Zoma, Ansar brothers. This task was successfully achieved, and approximately 170,000 copies of both books were distributed across the country. And the some highlights you're watching on screen. And also Majlis Ansarullah launched a website about Life of Muhammad books, lifeofmuhammad.org.uk. And alhamdulillah, up till now, around 40,000 books have been downloaded in 7 different languages so far. During exhibition and question answer session, translation of Holy Quran in different languages was displayed. Additionally, posters on the teaching of Holy Quran, writing of Promised Messiah, and charitable activities of Ansarullah was also displayed. By the grace of Allah, all through the efforts of Majlis Ansarullah, we blessed with 124 bayat during the last 5 years. In this year, until this August, through our Ansar achieved 31 bayat. and the reports of Tabligh activities are compiled on weekly basis and presented to Hazur Aqdas Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz for prayers and guidance along with names of participating Ansar brothers. I must say that all these achievements are the result of dedicated effort of Zoma, regional Nazmeen, and Ansar brothers. Alhamdulillah, number of Ansar participating in Tabligh activities are increased every year. May Allah bless you all. Jazakumullah ta'ala wa ahsanul jaza. And I would like to request all my brothers and Zoma and our Amla members, please visit our Tabligh exhibition in the main marquee, backside the main marquee. And if you have any suggestion or you would like to any material, please inform in our exhibition desk. And inshallah, we have already provided lot of material to our regions for exhibition setup, and inshallah in future we have planned some other material to provide our regions and majalis, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullah ta'ala.